Guys, last week we discussed about the basic principle of the time value of money, where a dollar received today worth more than a dollar received in the future. So what the element involved in the time value of money? The big factor involved is the interest rate. Interest rate play a vital role, makes the value of the money increase every time. That is the basic principle of the time value of money, where we can invest back our money that we receive today to make the money better in value for tomorrow. That is the basic principle of the time value of money. And here, today money to the future, we call it future value, and the keyword is compounding. And here, the future value back to the present one, we call it present value. And the keyword for present value is discounting. And last week, also we discussed about the future value. Okay, this is the formula for the future value, where PV is the present value, 1 plus I is the interest rate, and N is the frequency, how many times we compound the money, the dollar or the ringgit. And this is when we use this formula, we use when we calculate using the what we call it table of the time value of money. And this is example we calculate last week. And this is the step how to find I and also to find N using the table. And also we gone through this exercise or not yet? All right. So we start here today. Okay, kita akan mulakan perbincangan kita di sini. Okay. Okay. Can you see this whiteboard? Now I'm in the campus, and we're going to use this whiteboard. Okay. Kalau tak nampak, you just pin the video. Okay. Okay. This is what we call the timeline. Okay. Ini adalah garis masa. Okay, this is what we call the timeline ataupun garis masa. Okay, what is the semi-annual? Semi-annual is 2 times in a year. Okay, semi bermaksud semi-annual bermaksud separuh tahun. Separuh tahun bermaksud 2 kali dalam setahun. Okay, the factor here akan berlaku 2 kali dalam setahun, mean every 6 months. Okay, this is one 1. This is number 2. Okay, every 6 months. Okay, bermaksud 2 kali dalam setahun. So apa akan jadi terhadap formula kita? What happened to our previous or original formula? Okay, our formula is future value, present value, 1 plus I power of n. This is the original one. Okay, kalau 2 kali dalam setahun, if 2 times in a year, or we call it the semi-annual, so PV 1 plus I divided by 2 and n time with 2. I bahagikan dengan 2 dan n didarab dengan darab dengan 2. Boleh nampak ni? Can you see?
Boleh.
This is what we call the semi-annual. How about the quarterly or every quarter? Mean 4 kali, 4 times in a year. Okay, 4 times in a year. So means every 3 months. Okay, setiap 3 bulan sekali. Akan ada sepanjang 12 bulan tersebut akan ada 4 kali dalam setahun. Okay, bermaksud every 3 months. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Every quarter. Quarter number 1, quarter number 2, quarter number 3, quarter number 4. So, how about the formula? So, I divided by 4 and n times with 4. Nampak? So now, how about every month? Ataupun kita sebut monthly. Monthly mean every month lah. Okay, every month. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every month. Okay, every month, I divided by 12 and n time with 12. Every month. 12 kali dalam setahun. Okay, any question? Setakat itu dulu. Ada soalan? Boleh ikut? Can you follow me? Okay. Mari kita let's do this example. Okay. If you deposit $100 in account, earn 6% semi-annual. Okay, semi-annual. Compounding is the keyword for future value. So how much would you have in account after 5 years? Cuba kira dulu. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 years. Deposit today with 100. What happened after 5 years? What is the amount here? Okay, what is the amount here? So the formula, future value, present value 100, 1 plus I, 1 plus 6%. 6% for 5 years. But semi-annual, okay, 6% over 2 and times with 2. So here 100, 1 plus 3% power of 10. So the answer is 134.39. Okay, boleh dapat? So let's see how we generate the answer through what do you call it? Through table. Okay, through table. Yeah, 6%, but semi-annual. Oh, sorry. Future value 3% for 10 years. 1.3439. Okay, 13439. Kemudian kita darab 100, bermaksud 134.39. 134.39 after we time with the present value 100. Dapat tu? This is quarterly. Okay, this is quarterly. 1,000. 6% quarterly compounding 5 years. Okay, 1,000. 1,000 here. Then 6%, 5 years, quarterly. Okay, quarterly. So kita akan dapat berapa? Future value, present value, 1 plus I power of n. So sebab dia quarterly, kita akan bagikan dengan 4, 1,000. 1 plus 6%, bagikan dengan 4, kita dapat 1.5%. And 5 years, 20. Okay, 5 darab 4, 20. So the answer is 1346.86. but we cannot use table because there are no column for 1.5. One of the weaknesses of the table. Okay, we cannot use the table. Okay, ini boleh dapat? Again, I just want to remind you, this chapter, time value of money, a very crucial topic because all the information, all the philosophy, all the concept of the time value of money, present value, future value, and also the annuity, we're going to use it again in the next topic. So you have to fully understand this topic because the concept, the philosophy, we're going to use it again in the next topic, okay, in the future discussion. So kalau tak faham, you may stop me anytime and we can discuss. Ini boleh dapat? Yes. Tak tanya apa? Unmute ya. Boleh tanya unmute. Sebab tak sempat nak tengok. Sebab tak sempat nak tengok chat box. Yes, Mira.
Okay, dekat soalan tu kan dia ada cakap kat situ 5 tahun kan. Tapi kan kenapa kena darab 5, darab 4? Mana datang 4 tu? 4 tu untuk apa?
Mana datang 4? Okay, persoalan dia mana datang 4? Kan? Kak Hong, you wanted to explain to her? Help me, Kak Hong.
Malay, can I explain, sir? Again, you can explain lah. Not Indonesia in Malay lah.
Alright, proceed.
Mira, dengar tak Mira? Boleh kan? So, cakap tadi quarterly. Nampak tak soalan ada ayat? Mira, dengar tak? Okey, nampak kan? So, tadi ialah semi-annually. Semi-annually maksudnya 2 kali dalam setahun. Maksudnya 6 bulan 1 kali, kemudian satu lagi 6 bulan. Maksudnya bulan 1 sampai bulan 6 1 kali. Lepas tu 6 bulan sampai bulan 12 1 kali. Itu dah semi-annually. Bagi quarterly pula, ialah 3 bulan dalam setahun. Faham tak sekarang ni? Amira? Faham? Maksudnya 3 bulan dalam setahun, maksudnya bulan 1 sampai bulan 3, 1 bulan. Bulan 3 sampai bulan 6, 1 bulan. Bulan 6 sampai bulan 9, 1 bulan. Last kali bulan 9 sampai bulan 12, 1 bulan. Dalam 4 lah. Faham tak? Itu datang macam mana? Amira?
Okay, Mira. Okay, setahun, in a year, we have 12 months. Okay, dalam setahun kita ada 12 bulan. So, bulan 1 sampai bulan 3 tu 1. Bulan 4 sampai bulan 6, 2. Bulan 7 sampai 9, 3. Bulan 10 sampai bulan 12 itu 4. So, 4 kali dalam setahun. Okay, 4 kali dalam setahun. That's what we call it quarterly. Quarterly bermaksud 4 kali dalam setahun. Quarter. Okay, macam ni lah. Okay, ni quarter kan. Kita panggil, ini 12 bulan. Okay, 12 bulan. Okay, ini quarter, suku pertama, quarter 1. suku kedua quarter 2, suku ketiga quarter 3, suku keempat quarter 4. So that's why ada 1, 2, 3 and 4. Quarterly. This is what we call the quarterly. Sukuan. Okay, setiap suku. Kalau semi-annual tadi adalah ni lah. Semi-annual. Separuh. Okay. Separuh yang pertama 1, separuh yang kedua 2. 1, 2. Kalau quarter tadi 4 lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Mira. Itu datangnya 4 tu tadi. Okay, bagus. Untuk peringatan saya dan untuk peringatan kawan-kawan yang lain. Alright, sekarang kita akan buat eksperimen. Now we want to do experiment. So quarterly. Quarterly kita dapat tadi 1346.86. Now I want you to calculate semi-annual. Semi-annually. Semi-annual, and then calculate monthly as well. Monthly. So we want to see the trend or the result here, and then I want you to conclude what the result show to us. Now please calculate semi-annual. Use the same question. Use the same we call it factor here. And number 1, calculate for semi-annual. And number 2, calculate as well monthly. Okay, now.
Sir, use the 1,000 or the 1,800.
Okay, 1,000. 1,000, 6% semi-annual, 1,000, 6% monthly for 5 years.
Alright.
Okay, now 5 minutes. Spam your answer in the chat box. One, 3, 4, 3. Nine, 1. Or 8.85. Okay, this is the result. Semua nampak result ni? Gila boleh dapat? Alright. Syafiq, okay? Syafiq, yang pertama 6 bahagi 2. Okay, semi-annual 6 bahagi 2 and 5 kali 2 untuk semi-annual. Untuk monthly 6 bahagi 12, 5 darab 12. Dah, semua dah dapat the same answer here. Atau ada yang tersangkut? Now, can you see the answer? Semi-annual 1343. 1343. Quarterly 1346. Monthly 1348. Okay, 91 86 85. So, apa kesimpulan? What is the conclusion that we can say about this answer? Anyone? Apa yang kita boleh simpulkan berdasarkan pada result yang kita dapat di sini? Yeah, the amount is different. Why it's different? Boleh unmute. Anyone? This is again semi-annual is 2 times in a year. Quarterly is 4 times in a year. Monthly is 12 times in a year. Any idea? Okey, kesimpulan yang kita boleh buat di sini, semakin kerap frekuensi kekerapan jika kekerapan pengkompaunan berlaku lebih kerap, maka nilainya akan menjadi lebih tinggi. Okay, the more frequent compounding means the value or the result is higher. Semakin kerap kita menggandakan atau compound, maka nilainya akan menjadi lebih tinggi. The more you compound, the more or the frequent that you compound the value means the when you compound the money, the value of the money increase. Okay. Yang bawah sekali adalah 1348.85. Semakin kerap you compoundkan dia, maka nilainya akan menjadi lebih tinggi. You got it? That is the conclusion. Maka semakin kerap kita compoundkan dia, maka nilainya akan menjadi lebih tinggi. More frequent we compound the present value here, means the results increase. Okay, ini kita compoundkan 2 kali, ini kita compoundkan 4 kali, ini kita compoundkan 12 kali dalam setahun. Alright. Boleh kita sambung? Okay, buat exercise ini, kemudian saya akan panggil nama. Okay, do this exercise in 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and then I will call your name. Okay, dah? Okay, what is the answer for number 1? Deposit 1,000, 8% compound quarterly, 3 years. I want to call Eric Tan. Eric, what is the answer for number 1?
Yes, sir.
Apa jawapan nombor 1?
I wrote on the chat, sir.
1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 68.5. 24. Alright. Thank you very much. Second one. Yang lain tolong check sama ada betul atau tak. I want to call Harry Santia. Harry, are you here? Okay, and next one, Nick Muhammad Arif Zuhairi. Arif? Okay, Abdul Rahman.
Sir,
Okay, jawapan nombor 2.
jawapan nombor 2 saya tulis kat chat box eh.
Okay.
Dah saya.
819 8
Bismillah.
8193.08. Okay, thank you. Dan yang terakhir, saya nak call Khairul Jannah.
Saya dapat 8703.04.
Untuk soalan 2B, 4,000 dilaburkan 6 tahun, 6% semi-annual compounding. 5703 04. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, ada yang tak dapat, ada yang tertinggal?
Sir. Hello?
Yes.
Boleh dengar tak?
Ya, Kirong.
Tanya, kalau itu, yang itu, kalau kita dapat itu answer from the future value table, tapi dia value dia tak
Quite
sama,
different.
quite different.
Yang belakang tu je kan?
Yeah.
As I mentioned earlier, because the table there are some limitation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some limitation because the table only use 4 decimal point, but when we use calculator, when we use formula through calculator, we can use all the decimal point. So the accuracy is more on formula. Okay, when we use calculator. So table is if you want to faster to get the answer faster, we can use the table. Okay, but the accuracy is less compared to the calculator, compared to the formula. So that's why the answer is a bit different, especially yang kat belakang nilai ini. Okay, kalau you tengok nilai mungkin beza dia about RM1 and not more than that. Okay, RM1 plus plus.
Okay.
Betul tak Kirong? Dia
Betul.
punya table kat belakang, dia punya ringgit dekat belakang ni mungkin RM1, beza RM1 atau RM2. because
Yeah.
table there are some limitation. Okay, and the other limitation of the table, as we see previously, the table cannot calculate, cannot come with the result of 1 point something. Okay, the table only provide us the round number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 macam tu. When the question let's say 4 quarterly, 4% quarterly. Sorry, 6% quarterly. So the result is 1.5. We cannot calculate 1.5% using table. There are
Limitation.
some
Okay.
limitation when we use table.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Can we proceed? Okay, now kita dah habis future value. Okay, done with the future value. Alright, currently now heavy rain in UM Situ. Jangan lebat dekat campus kita. Kawan-kawan yang ada dekat campus mungkin mengalami sedikit gangguan aliran. Alright, now is the present value. Okay, my first question is, what is the keyword to show the present value? Apa keyword terpenting bagi nilai kini, bagi present value? Yes, discounting. Bagus, ada perkembangan yang baik. Okay. Future value, here to here is the future value. Kita panggil dia compounding. Okay, the activity we call it compounding. Here to here we call it discounting. Sorry, discounting. Okay, the formula here, future value 1 plus I in power of n. Formula is present value equal to the future value over 1 plus I in power of n. Okay, boleh nampak? Okay, kalau dekat table, kita akan guna the table of present value. Okay, table of present value. Okay, what is the present value? 800 to be received. Akan diterima. 10 tahun akan datang. 10 tahun dari hari ini. If your discount rate is 10%. Okay, this is the calculation.
Sorry sir.
Syafiq.
Yang jalur ni kan boleh, I mean nombor dia memang sampai 10 ke tak kisah? Based on percent
Nombor apa sampai 10?
Tu yang graph line tu.
Okay, ini timeline. Kita
Timeline
panggil dia
tu.
timeline. Okay, ini timeline. Okay, kalau saya ilustrasikan, kalau saya gambarkan soalan ini dalam bentuk timeline. Okay, ini saya bentukkan dalam timeline lah. Okay, nampak Fik? Saya bentukkan dalam timeline. So 10 tahun, 10 years. Okay. 800 ni ada di sini. 800 is here. Berapa nilainya pada hari ini? Pada tahun kosong. That's why we call it discounting. Okay. Kita ke sini kan tadi kan. The process is discounting. Okay. Proses ini kita panggil dia discounting. Katakan kita nak beli rumah. We want to buy a house. Okay. Our dream house. Nilainya 800,000. Okay. 800,000. 800K. Our dream house. In 10 years. 10 tahun akan datang, 10 tahun lagi, kita perlu ada 800,000 untuk membeli sebuah rumah idaman. Okay. Berapa kita perlu simpan pada hari ini, pada tahun kosong ini, supaya dalam tempoh 10 tahun kita ada 800K. Okay. Ini idea dia tadi lah. Idea ataupun the concept of present value. Okay. Our aim, our objective to have 800 in 10 years. How much we have to save today? Today is the year zero. Okay. Today is the year zero. So the formula is present value. Sekarang kan, sekarang is present value. Future value 1 plus I in power of n. So 800 1 plus berapa persen tadi? 10%. For 10 years in power of 10. So equal to 308.43. So di sini kita perlu simpan di sini sebanyak 308.43. Supaya so that after 10 years we're going to have 800 ringgit or 800,000, whatever. Now I want to show you how to use present value table. Okay, jangan salah menggunakan table. This is the future value. Number 2, normally future value annuity. Annuity kita tak lihat lagi. After this, we're going to learn about the annuity. Now, table number 3 is the present value. Okay, present value. So 10%, 10 years. 10%, and 10 years. $0.3855. $0.3855. Okay, 10 years for 10%. Okay, 10%, 10 years, 0.3855. So kita bahagikan dengan 800 ini. So kita akan dapat nilai yang sama. Okay, 308.43. Ini yang Kirong cakap tadi a bit different here because the limitation of the table. Okay, now calculate this exercise for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then as usual we call you name. Boleh? Okay, di sini pun kita buat eksperimen. 10,000, 10 years with the interest rate or discount rate 5, 10, and 20.
Sir, can I answer the A? My name is Nik Muhammad Arif. Tadi saya pergi tandas, tak sempat nak jawab.
Okey, tak apa, tak apa. Nanti saya panggil sekali lagi untuk jawab soalan yang berikutnya ni lah.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okey, macam tadi, timeline. Uh, 10 tahun. Matlamat kita di sini untuk ada 10K. Okay, berapa kita nak deposit di sini pada tahun kosong? Okay. Kita mulakan dengan 5%. 10% dan 20%. Alright, okay, Muhammad Arif. 5%.
I got 6139.132.
Again,
6139.132. 6139
6139 point
132.
13. Okay, thank you. Second one. I want to call Chua Kia Q. Chua.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
3 at 55.43.
3
At 55.43.
855.43. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yang lain tolong check Please check the answer. Sama dengan you ataupun tak sama. And then I want to call Muhammad Asri Aizat. Asri?
So yang 20% tu saya tak dapat lagi Azri.
Okay, bagus alasan. Izzatul Husna. Nur Izzatul Husna Muhammad Zahari.
Yes.
Okay, what the
Saya
answer?
dapat 1615.
1615 point?
Pakai table, sir.
Tak apalah, pakai table berapa? Itu yang dapat?
6.
Okay. Okay, from the result here. Sama macam tadi, apa kesimpulan yang kita boleh buat? What the conclusion that we can make after we see the result here? Nur Irdina Syahira.
Yes, sir.
Okay, apa kesimpulan kita boleh buat?
Makin sikit interest, makin banyak present value.
Okay. Maksudnya semakin tinggi kadar faedah, maka nilai present value ini menjadi semakin rendah. Nampak? Ataupun sebaliknya lah. Semakin tinggi discount rate, maka nilai present value ini akan menjadi lebih rendah. Semakin rendah, maka present value-nya akan menjadi lebih tinggi. Kalau kita lihat di sini, jika 5%, kita terpaksa letak di sini 6K plus. Okay. Jika 5%, kita terpaksa letak di sini 6,000 lebih. Kalau 5%. Okay. Kalau kadar faedahnya meningkat, kita cuma letak di sini lebih kurang 3K plus. Alright, okay. Dengan kadar 10%. Tapi kalau kadar faedahnya 20%, kita cuma letak satu nilai yang lebih kecil di sini, iaitu 1.6K. Okay, boleh nampak di sini? Ini kesimpulan yang kita boleh buat lah.
Prof,
Ya, Syafiq.
kalau boleh boleh tak nak tengok macam mana cara kira 5% tu? Nak
5%?
fahamkan. Boleh Prof tunjukkan balik jalan kira.
Okay, 5%. Saya tunjuk yang 5% Okay, formula dia present value, future value, 1 plus I in power of n. Nampak? Fix. Okay, di sini 10,000 1 plus I kita berapa tadi? 5%.
5%.
Kuasa 10 di sini. Kita dapat di sini. Cuba Fik. 10,000 1.05 kemudian kuasa 10 sebab 10 tahun. Dapat Fik? Okey ya. Okey, kita akan sambung dengan sikit lagi dengan apa yang kita sebut sebagai multiple cash flow. Okey, di sini kita ada dua ya. Kita ada multiple cash flow and also uneven cash flow. Number one, kita akan we're going to see the multiple cash flow. Okay, present value with multiple cash flow. Okey, saya akan lukis, ilustrasikan, gambarkan soalan ini dalam bentuk timeline. Okey, dalam bentuk timeline. This is the timeline. This time 0. This is 8. Saya ringkaskan 8, 6, 4, 2. And it's the 0. Okay, timeline dia macam ni lah. Untuk yang pertama, 300 to be received in 2 years. Ini to be received here. 2 years. Berapa nilai di sini? Yang pertama adalah present value. Future value dia adalah 300 bahagi 1.5. 1.05 power of 2. So, berapa kita dapat di sini? Okay. Yang kedua adalah
yang 1.05 tu dapat mana?
Yang kedua di sini 1.05 dapat mana? 5% sama dengan 0.05. Atau kita tulis macam itulah. Nampak tak? 5% ini atau dalam bentuk point kita tulis 0.05.
Oh, okey.
So, macam mana dapat ini? Ini adalah 1 tambah 0.05. Jadi kita dapat 1.05 lah. Dapat Fik?
Dapat.
So kita akan dapat di sini berapa? 272.10. Inilah 272.10. Yang kedua, 8 tahun. 450 received in 8 years. Discount rate 5%. Ini number 1. Number 2, PV 450 1.05 power of 8. So we're going to have 304.65. So here 304.65. So total 76576.75. Inilah total di sini. Alright, boleh nampak? Boleh ikut?
Sir, for the 450 present value divided by 1.05 power 8, if I didn't use table lah, use calculator to calculate lah, answer get 304.5558. Don't know.
Ikut acceptable. The answer is acceptable.
Acceptable lah.
Boleh. Macam tadi lah, dia sedikit berbeza yang kat belakang.
Okay, sir.
It's okay. You can all of you can try both formula and also table, and you can see the difference. A bit different, especially in the last figure here. The difference is about 1 ringgit or 1 ringgit plus. Kogi, yang mana Kogi? 0.905, 907. Yang ni. Five percent 2 years. Okay, 5% 2 years. Okay, let's we go to the table. Okay, now we go to the table, Kogi. Okay, this is from table. Okay, macam apa tadi Kirong cakap, this is from table. This is from formula. Now we go to the table. Okay, present value table. 5% 2 years. 5% here. Kogi boleh nampak Kogi? 5% here and 2 years. So you akan dapat sini 0.9070. Kogi boleh nampak sini 5% 2 years 9070. And then 8 years, you akan dapat di sini 6768. 6768. Okay. Okay, nampak 6768. Okay. Now you're going to have this result. Okay, I think that's all for today. We stop. Okay, apa Mira?
Kalau nombor 1 tu kan saya dapat 330.75 tak apa ke?
Yang mana? 300 ni.
Yang 300 tu.
Mungkin salah kot.
Salah.
Cuba kira 300, 0.9070 tadi tak dapat 300.
Sebab saya ikut yang sepunya.
Kalau ikut formula ni 300 1.05 kuasa 2. 2 tahun. Kuasa 2.
Tak dapat.
300 bahagi sayang.
Bahagi, okey.
Okay, 300 bahagi 1. Mula-mula Mira buat ini dulu. Mula-mula Mira buat ini dulu tau. 1.05 kuasa 2. Store dalam memory. Calculator tu ada memory kan? Calculator saya ada kat sana. Mula-mula you buat 1.05 kuasa 2 dapat dia punya number dia. Okay. Simpan dalam memory. Kemudian ambil ini 300 bahagi dengan memory yang disimpan tadi. Tekan equal or enter. You akan dapat this figure. 272.11.
Okey. Dapat.
Dapat?
Okey.
Sama step dia macam tadi. Tekan dulu 1.05 in power of 8. Dapat nilai dia, simpan dalam memory. Tapi sebelum tu you kena clear memory first. Shift clear memory. Kalau tidak, memory tu dia akan macam tadi compound. Okay. Memory tu dia akan compound kalau you tak clear memory. Before you start the new calculation, you have to clear the memory first. Dapat tu?
Okay,
Before
dapat.
you start any calculation, please clear the memory. Kalau tidak, memory tu akan jadi compound lah. Dia akan compound, tambah. So, katakan memory dah clear. Now, memory is clear. You tekan 1.05 in power of 8, then store or save in the memory. Then you tekan 450 divide by call memory. Okay, you akan dapat nilai ni lah. Kemudian tambahlah 1 and result number 1 and result number 2, and this is the final, the total grand result. Okay, di sini. Kalau dalam bentuk timeline, dia akan berada di tahun kosongnya nilai inilah. Okay, dapat?
Dapat, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yang lain ada lagi? Kita akan berhenti di sini. We're going to stop here and continue again on Thursday. But again, quiz tomorrow 2:30 AM till 8 PM. Online cover chapter 1 and chapter number 2. Okay, beza sikit doesn't matter. Okay, beza belakang tu tak kisah. Sebab macam saya kata tadi, ada limitation kalau kita guna table. Alright, KBW, Kembara Bijak Wang just started. Okay. Any information, go to the Facebook KBW 3.0. All the information there. And quiz number 1, tomorrow, Selasa, Tuesday, 2:30 p.m. until 8 p.m. Chapter covers chapter 1 and chapter number 2. Okay, now we stop here. Any other question? Ada soalan lain? Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, itu saja untuk hari ini. Kita akan jumpa pada lagi sekali pada hari Khamis nanti lah. Okay, good luck. Stay safe all. And thank you very much.
Sir, meeting kali ni record kan?
Record nanti saya upload.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Esok berapa? Esok ada berapa soalan?
Ada 20 soalan. Objektif.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good luck all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.